name's Agnay. Today I made a car which is controlled by my voice, and here in the code I used a few blocks which are from the Bluetooth category to help us connect the microbit to Bluetooth so that it will use our voice to control the car. And now I will show you how to do it. So if I go to here we talk, so that it'll pick up our voice and use it so that the car will move. So now first, if we want to do it, first we need to press on connect, then we need to press on this, then we need to press on pair. So it's connecting. Okay, so now it's working. Forward. Stop. Move backward. Stop. Move right. Stop.